Anyone who tries chicken fillet prepared like this won't eat it any other way. To start, take 500 grams of chicken fillet and, with great care, cut them into steaks on your kitchen board. That's it, no rush, let's get to it. Now cover the steaks with plastic wrap and beat them with a meat mallet until they are very thin and ready to receive that wonderful filling. Meanwhile, let's prepare the filling. Grate 100 grams of mozzarella and set aside. Don't forget a piece of carrot, also grated, and mix everything together in a glass bowl. Add 200 grams of cream and a pinch of chives to taste. Mix everything together until smooth and creamy. Time to stuff. Put a good amount of our creamy filling on each chicken steak. Wrap it carefully, as if you were wrapping a special present. Heat a little olive oil in a baking dish and brush all over the inside so that it doesn't stick. Arrange the rolled fillets and bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 40 minutes. Yes, 40 minutes of pure magic. After this time, take it out of the oven and add 70 grams of mozzarella on top. Return to the oven for another 15 minutes, just to make sure the mozzarella melts and turns golden brown. And here it is. Look how perfect these stuffed chicken fillet rolls are. It makes your mouth water just to look at them, doesn't it? If you like this delicious recipe, don't forget to like the video and follow our page to receive our daily tips. Bon appetit and see you next time.